Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we are finally painting my brother's XR8. As you can see, the clear coat on it is a bit how you going. Same with the roof. And to match all the money he spent on it, you know, we want to make it look good. Now we're not going like a professional job, it's going to be doors closed and this is on a budget, you know how we do. So yes, let's get into it. This thing's going to be a different colour by the end of this video, so let's get into it. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're here with the old man and the brother over there, is we're going to build like a pavilion gazebo thing over the top of this and use that for a spray booth. So we're going to rip the wheels off, rip the front bumper off and start sanding some stuff back because we're going to undercoat it and then go from there. Alright, so we started prepping it before we build the pavilion behind it. Started roughing it up, getting it ready for the primer, taking taillights out. And yeah, some of this bad stuff's going to have to be hit with the actual sander, so it's coming along. As you can see, we're still working away at it. And we've taken the wheels off, because what we're doing with these is these wheels are going to get green walls around the outside, so they're off, they're going to get done tomorrow, so something else to add to it. But yeah, we'll get back into it. Okay, so I think that's going to do for the first little stint of the car. We've got the front end off, we've prepped one side up, getting ready for primer, and then when we get back, we're going to have a little break, we're going to set up the spray booth and get amongst it.
One pathetic sob story later.
So we went to go set up our little homemade spray booth thingy that we were doing, and turns out it didn't quite have a roof panels for it, so we had to get creative. So yeah, it's not quite fully what it was going to be, but it's better than nothing. Let's see, we stripped out all the parts. But yeah, there she is. Dutchie getting hard on the sand and on the bonnet. We're just going to keep prepping, getting ready for that primer. We're almost ready to get that undercoat on. Almost ready to prime. Just finishing the masking up. Undercoat time. Okay, here we are. First coat primer down. It's looking pretty good. Getting ready to go for coat number 2, and then we'll block this back tonight and then be able to get sprayed tomorrow. Alrighty, second coat's on. So now, once we come back tonight, it's going to be ready to block back. Dad's just finishing up the front bumpers and the spoiler. She's getting sweet. After about an hour or so of blocking the thing back, all the panels are ready to be sprayed in the morning, and you guys will get to see what colour this finally gets to be. Yeah, fun little home job. Probably not, well, I wouldn't recommend to do it this way, but this is the way we're doing it, so good times. Anyway, next time you see this, hopefully, because I got to work, it will be sprayed. We'll get the first peek of the colour.
One pair of pants later.
Okay, so we're back again the next day. I've been working all day, so was keen to see the progress on the car. But old Albany decided it wanted to bring in all the weather, and we've had rain and high kilometre winds, and that thing we set up the spray booth is now not set up because it wasn't doing the job. But made do. They set up the carport with the tarps, and here we are. It's a green, looking good. But yeah, we did. They managed to get that done with some pretty average weather. As you can see the back there, bumpers are looking pretty good. But yeah, it's done. So basically from here we got to wait for the green walls to be done, and we're going to reassemble everything, and then we'll roll her out and see what she looks like. So here are the green wall wheels. Looking pretty sweet. Liking the look of that. So yeah, we'll just chuck these on. It's time to see how it looks. And here it is, finished product with all the package together, green walls, tyres. Man, this thing looks pretty good. Back end's come out good. Those wheels make it pop. He's also added a couple other little things. Put Boss 315 stickers on there just because that's how much power it makes with the wheels, and to annoy a couple people, you know. But yeah, from purple to this, looks like it's come out pretty good. But yeah, we'll see this car in the future, obviously. And not only is that news on this car that my brother's painted this, we've done this, but here's where the Pulsar's going to. So the Pulsar is staying in the family, it's just going to my brother, so you might see it again one day. But yeah, this has been a fun project with the dad and the brother. Dutchie's stoked. It looks good. Anyway guys, till the next one. See you later.